لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا ونبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم. قال الله تعالى في القرآن الكريم: واصبر وما صبرك إلا بالله. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: ما أصبر أحد على شيء ففي سبيل الله إلا رفعه الله بدرجاته. Peace and mercy of Allah be upon you. Respected teacher Khalid Hassan Mahmood, honored member of the organizing committee and my dear students. Today we have gathered to speak our hearts through the guidance of the Holy Quran and the teachings of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and to speak about a very important moral quality. Patience. Patience is the foundation of our faith. It keeps us steadfast and difficulties and trials and grant us success in both this world and hereafter. The life of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the best example of patience. Despite hardship